Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make homemade cornbread without using eggs. So if you guys want to see how I put this recipe together, keep watching. Alright guys, one of the ingredients we're going to need to make our delicious and moist vegan cornbread is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is already in my bowl here. We are going to need 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal, and I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I'm going to eyeball it, 1 cup first, and then go in with a half. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and you guys already know I will post the full recipe right here on the screen for you guys, and you can also find it down below in the description box. So we're going to go ahead and get that salt in there. So now I'm going in with my sugar, and I am using coconut sugar. Okay, I'm going in with a half a cup of coconut sugar. If you want to use raw cane sugar, you definitely can. We're just going to give that a good mix until all of the dry ingredients are well combined. Now we're going to go in with the wet, and I'm going to use this entire can of coconut milk, but I'm going to gradually add it in. So I'm going to pour a little bit in now. So guys, don't mind the clumps there, okay? That is coconut. It's coconut milk. Okay, so it's coconut, so it's all good. So now I'm going in with 1/4 cup of corn oil, and then we're going to give that a good mix. And I'm starting off with a whisk, but I am going to switch over to a spatula because you guys can see what's happening there. The mixture is ending up in between the whisk, so I did switch to the spatula, which is what I normally use, but I like to use the whisk, you know, just to make sure everything is, you know, mixed up. So yeah, you want to go ahead and just continue to add in that coconut milk until it is looking like this right here. So I did oil my pan here. I have my square pan here, and I did coat it with some of that oil as well. You don't want to use butter, okay, because it is vegan. You want everything vegan, okay? So you definitely can use vegetable oil, canola oil, but I like using corn oil because I love the taste that it gives this cornbread, okay? So we are going to bake this for a total of 40 minutes on 350, and here we are here, guys. It turned out beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut this open for you so that you guys can see how nice, moist, and fluffy this vegan cornbread turned out. And if you guys have never tried vegan cornbread, I would definitely say give it a try. Look at that, guys, and do you see that crumb? It is so moist. So I just thought I would share with you guys my recipe on how I make my vegan cornbread. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.